Some different topic in the single linked list is implementations using the hashing. We already see what is a single linked list and how the single linked list is implementation, and finally we using both combined to be in the hashing. Single linked list is implemented in hashing means what happens, so the same as in the insert mode, delete mode, modify, display, free. These are all in the implementation of single linked list, but in these 5 is happens in the hashing is what happening is going to be see. First one is insert, delete and modify. These are the codes are to insert, delete, modify, but it getting some changes, no, for the hashing. What it means is first one is this one, define bucket size of 10, and this one is define hash data. Data is module with a bucket size. We are going to be hashing, no, we already see what is hashing. Hashing having the bucket size, and each bucket has each list has the nodes and evenly distributed that nodes, and we going to find the index by the hashing algorithm. So only it put it in the corresponding index and get the nodes, and easily search and delete is all easily in the hashing. This is hashing. From this program we use the macro to define what is a bucket size and hash to be done with, and what is the hashing algorithm is mentioned in the macros. And the second one, in the normal insert program we should use only ghead is equal to null and gtail is equal to null. In this program we going to see the bucket size. Ghead of bucket size means it declare the 10. So already defined in the macros, no, it declare the 10, bucket size is 10 is going to be null, and tail at bucket size is 10 is going to be null. From the insert mode, first one, insert mode is what happens, it means to include the U16 index. It gives us the index values declaration. And second one is, these are normally happens allocation of memories is getting datas and names, and this is going to be the working of insert mode. And temp to null means the temp is going to be null, and the second node is created and putting data, and this happens in the insert mode, no, so it's code. And this code is newly created for the hashing. Index equal to hash temp to data means hash index, no, that index only putting into the data. So temp to data is going to be the index. Hashing data is going to be index only. So this code is coming, and not the somewhere it is coming in the only data, not in the temp to data. And if head of equal to null is going to be the head of index, and this part, these all head and tail is going to head, tail and head index and tail index to changed for a hashing. So it because it has a index values are mainly to be inserted, so it going to insert in the mode. And from the delete mode is also happening, index is declared, and also the hashing, these lines, index of hashings and temp equal to ghead of index to change all the head and tail to be the head, tail and jail tail happening here. And next the modify mode is also declaring index, and the same 2 lines is happening this. And the next slide is head is to be the head index, and for the display is also declared, these 2 lines is happening, and head is to be head index and tail is to be the tail index. This happening, this is also happening, not declaring temp equal to ghead. So we put temp only, not declared in this program. This all the corrections used in the hashing program. And these also, not declared, and this head is to be head index. And this free code only different from the others because we using the two lines, no, these two lines, indexes, temp, these two lines, instead of that we using the while loop. Index is less than bucket size means having the data, no, to put the algorithm to give the index, that index is less than the bucket size only. We already see in bucket size coming index is only less than that, so it happening in the while. It is true only this coding is happens. We declare the temp equal to head, and while temp is a true value only, it is going to in, and pre-free the temp, and temp equal to next, and be free p free. So indexes is incremental and going to be the same. It what happens means we all included inserted, display and delete, these modes are having to included the hashing tables, so many datas in the table to be inserted in the corresponding index node, so that datas to be free only. Next time we used for the another purpose. Not free means it having some memory leak, that problem is and all late we already seen. So only we using the data means finally we free it. So using the corresponding true values, it to be the free to be one by one nodes and incremented to another and second node and incremented to another and third node. So these types to be free with the hashing one by one in the 10 buckets totally be free it and used for the another purpose to compiling it. How to be deleted, what is happening in the inserted mode, it is all given in this program. We going to see what is happening in hashing is also seen. We going to see what is happening in the insert mode and delete mode in hashing. So this program is working with the hashing, no. When I go for the element 99th position in the 100 nodes, I take long time to traverse, no, already said. Find data to searching, lot of checking with the looping, so it takes time to be searched, and so I go for the hashing. Instead of one head pointer in the linked list, I have many pointers in the hashing, many head pointers in the hashing, and many listed too from the file. Okay, this is not having, and this is hashing means it having this all the head points, this all the head points. I have the 10 buckets means 10 head points I have, but in the linked list only one head points, and it has this single long node in a linked list. But in the hashing it having the 10 nodes only, each having the evenly distributed. It is having 10, it is having 10, it is having 10, so evenly distributed. It has the less number of nodes to be searched easily. To insert mode, the macros and codes are some changes I already tell, no, in the previous slide, which codings are to be different to the normal single linked list implementation and to be the hashing single linked list implementations. So first one is how to be inserted means while insert the node doing hashing and get an index, I am using the head, and instead of that I get the corresponding head in the 10 buckets. Okay, this is the corresponding head in the 10 buckets, and so 10 heads based index go to the corresponding head. Before delete, insert, modify, first go and get the corresponding head. Whatever you doing in the hashing means first you get the corresponding head value, that means data. First you get the data, that head data is to be going to performing the algorithm of hashing. We know the algorithm of hashing, no. Data is to be module with the bucket size and uses the index. This is the hashing algorithm. First we get the data, and doing this data into the bucket size is 10, bucket size to the 10 module, and gives us the index value of index values. Example, it is 392 means it modules with the 10, it gives us the index values of 2. So this 2 is printed in the second in 0 1 2. This 2 is 392 is placed, and this node 2 is placed. So like this we are getting the corresponding nodes. Only difference is to search the corresponding nodes, and index is different from the linked list and hashing. And how the node to be deleted means deleting before based on the data. I want to delete use data to be find index and get corresponding head and use the corresponding index in the node. No, first I want to get the data, which data is to be deleted. I can delete by find index and corresponding head pointer. Data into 10 is equal to index. Sorry, data module 10 is equal to index. Same algorithm using to get the data. I want to get the data from this one. I consider this is 8th bucket, and this one I want to search means same algorithm is doing and searching that this is the 8th corresponding element, and this is going to be deleted. So from the insert also same algorithm, delete is also the same algorithm. Search index in the bucket list, from traverse head to find the node and delete it. Okay, finally we see the free list. When your program is terminated, I have to free all the data. In hash table, every table node has a list. I have to go through and free all the buckets in the data. Free list is changed a little bit, including in the above picture. We have the picture, no? This is the free list. This free list is having the so like this is hashing, and it contains all the data, all 1 2 3 4, it containing all the data. Nodes is also having all the data. No, we want to free it, only go through the data and going to be looping, and conditions are true, it be free, and incremented to be no. Conditions are true means it free, and this going incremented to second bucket, and this is to be free, and going to third, and this is to be free. This is happening in the free list. These are all the modes and list happening in the single linked list using the hashing function. It's all very easy, and very interested to see what happening in this programs, what is the compilations, what is the errors, what is happening. These are all very interested to study in codings. Thank you.